Good morning, students. Today we will see the C part, that is answer in detail. So the first question is, list the factors that affect the health of a person. Then you will start the answer like, the factors that affect the health of a person are as follows. Then the following points you need to write. So it is on page number 56. Balanced diet, personal hygiene, community hygiene, adequate exercise and rest, protection from communicable diseases. So these are the 5 points or 5 factors. So we completed this one. Then why is it necessary to do physical exercise? So students, come to page number 65, and here you can see the exercise heading. So you will start your answer from here. Till here, and then from exercise also have better to here. So your answer will start from here till nerves, and after this full stop you will start writing from here. Okay, exercise also helps in relieving mental tension and person feels and looks better. So we have completed this one. Now, what are communicable diseases? How do they spread through food and water? So see page number 57, and that communicable disease already you have noted it down. So starting from here till here. Okay, this is on page number 57. Now regarding the second part of the question, you come to page number 58, and you note down from here till here. Then after this full stop, next point will be from germs from infection of the ear till here, and then from here. Okay, so these 3 points, first point from here to here, second point from here to here, and third point from here to here. So we are done with question number 3. Now write down a few measures to avoid infections. So come to page number 59, students, and you will start the answer from here. We can avoid infections by being a little careful and following the given steps. Now so many steps have been given over there. Okay, so any 4 points of your choice you can write as the answer. So I'm not going with any particular point. So any 4 points. Okay, so altogether there should be 4 points. Do remember it. Any 4 points of your choice you can write. Now question number 5. What are organ malfunction disease? Explain any 2 of such diseases. So come to page number 61, and here you can see the heading. So you will note down the answer from here. Diseases which are caused due to malfunctioning of body organs are called organ malfunction disease. Okay, so instead of writing metabolic disease, you will write the organ malfunction disease. Organ malfunction disease. Okay, so don't write this metabolic disease, because this is not the thing which is being asked in the question. Now students, regarding the second part of the question, you can first write the heading as diabetes. No need of writing mellitus, simply you put the heading diabetes, and then you will write that in diabetes, from here you will write till here. Okay, so first we will put the heading diabetes, and then in diabetes that heading you will write from here to here. Then next heading, it is heart diseases on page number 62. So this will be your next heading, and you will note down from here. This will be heading, and this is the matter which you are going to write down there. From these include disorders till here, and after this full stop you will start writing from here till here. Okay, so we have completed question 5. Then write a note on prevention of communicable diseases. So students, come to page number 58, and the topmost line you can see as communicable diseases may spread through different modes like air, water, food, insects, and direct contact. First you will write from here to here, then after that full stop you will note down from here to here. Okay, it is on the same page, page number 58. So water regularly. After this full stop you will continue the sentence. So come to page number 59. There you can see some points, but don't write in the form of the points, you will write in the continuous sentence. So this, do not use clothes up to here. Then after full stop, do not share used oil handkerchief up to here. That means from here to here. Then continuous sentence from here to here, then here to here, here to here. So that much will be enough. So all these you have to write in a continuous sentence up to here. So students, once again I am repeating it. You need to do all this in your homework copy, that is short and precise ABC, on page number 73, and then again on page number 74 ABC. All these you need to do in your homework copy. Okay, so we have completed this sixth question also. Okay, so students, do prepare well for the UT. Goodbye.